Hey guys, I just got out of the water, did some boarding, got a rad appetite right now, so I think we're going to make some fun things, healthy and quick, and in the spirit of social distancing, we're going to do it outside on the grill. Fajitas. You ready? Let's go.
All right, we start with assorted fresh bell peppers, sweet onions, black beans, and fajita skillet sauce, of which you can make your own, but Frontera is delicious.
All right, first step one. Cast iron pan on the grill. Make sure you heat it up. All right, once the grill's hot, 600 degrees, take your chicken, throw it in. All right, sear it up. All right, chicken's a little brown. Let's throw in the veggies.
Cook the veggies 4 to 5 minutes or until desired tenderness. Add the black beans, cook another few minutes. Scrape the veggies to one side and add that skillet sauce. Let that boil for a few minutes and then mix in with the chicken, the beans, and the veggies. Let it simmer and voila.
All right, guys, that's it. Sweet, simple, delicious. Go in, wrap it up. A little sour cream, a little avocado, maybe a little Mexican cheese shredded. Wrap it up and chow down, man. Enjoy your bodyboarding. Mike's Favorite Eats, signing out. Later.